tutorial using just Inglot Cosmetics. If you know me, then you know this, that Inglot is my favorite brand of all times because the first ever product from which I built my makeup collection was from Inglot, so it has a special place in my heart. Coming back to the look, it's a really fun and colorful look, and if you want to know how to get this look, then please keep on watching. I'm going to start off by using the Inglot Under Makeup Base. This is a primer and it is silicone based, so it's really good for summers, and you know this is my favorite primer of all times. So I'm going to use this to smoothen out my face and fill into the pores. This little step will also help in my makeup to stay in place for a longer period of time. Inglot Freedom System Cream Concealer. I love the Freedom System for the simple fact that it is so affordable and you get like a huge variety of colors and everything. I am in the shade LW300 and this is what it looks like, and this is a shade which will match my skin perfectly, so I'm going to use this as a foundation with the help of this Forever 21 Beauty Sponge. Both of the things are the things that I'm using for the first time, and this is damp, so that's why it's so huge. And I'm going to open this up. It's still not even open, so yes, I'm going to use this all over my face. Creamy product on my face, I want to set it down, so I'm going to use this Inglot Freedom System pressed powder. Again, as I said, I love the Freedom System for its pricing and the color variety. So yes, I'm going to use this pressed powder which is in the shade 13. I guess it's 13. No, it's 16. It's 13 gram. The shade is 16, and I'm going to use this again. This is the first time I'm going to use it, and I'm going to use it with my Zoeva powder brush. It's brow time, so I'm going to use my Inglot Freedom System Brow Wax. This is in the shade 571. So I'm going to use this brow wax to define my brows. AMC Face and Body Illuminator in the shade 61. This was the first illuminator highlighter product that I ever bought, and it is still so special to me. It looks like this. So I'm going to take this and I'm going to apply this to the highest points of my face to highlight my face. Freedom System Face Blush in the shade 51, and it's a really pretty shade. It's a peachy pink shade. I love it. This is what it looks like. So yes, I'm just going to use a blush brush. Any blush brush would do, and I'm going to dust this all over my cheeks. I'm going to skip on contouring today, and I'm going to directly go into the eyes. So I'm going to start off by using the Inglot Under Eye Makeup Base. This is an eye primer, TMI. This was the first product I bought when I started with my makeup collection, so this is really special to me. And yes, I'm just going to use that on my eyelid just to make sure that my makeup stays in place. Freedom System palette, which was a dear gift. So yes, I'm gonna pick up this shade. I do not know the number of the shade as it was in the palette when it was gifted to me. So yep, I'm gonna pick up this beautiful pearl shade, and I'm gonna dust this all over my eyelid. Deepest shade right here, and I'm gonna go into my crease using this and a little bit on my lash line as well. Then I'm gonna take this rainbow eyeshadow from the Freedom System collection. This is in the shade 114R, and I'm gonna pick that lightest shade right there with the help of this dome shaped brush, and I'm gonna blend out the harsh edges of the eyeshadow. Another eyeshadow which is Pearl 446. I'm not really sure if this is still available because they've discontinued the circle line and they have the eyeshadow in squares now, like rectangles. So yes, you can ask if they have the Pearl 446 in the square form. So I'm going to use this with an angled brush like so, and I'm going to line my upper and lower lash line. Definitely leave the look like this. It's really gorgeous, but I'm gonna add a little something extra, and for that I'm using this beautiful eyeshadow which is in the shade 473, and I'm just gonna pop this gorgeous teal color in my inner corners. Lastly, for mascara, I'll be honest, I didn't buy a mascara just because of the reason none of the mascaras intrigued me. So as usual, all my one brand tutorials have something unusual that I do, so I had to keep up with the tradition. I'm gonna make my own mascara, and how I'm gonna make is that I'm gonna take black eyeshadow by Inglot. This is in the shade 63. Again, you have to ask them if this same shade is available in the square range, and this is the mattest black that I've ever used. I'm just gonna scrape a little of that out with the back of a brush, and I'm gonna take it on the back of my hand. And once I have scraped a little bit of the black on the back of my hand, I'm gonna take Inglot Duraline. Duraline is like a magic fluid. It can make any pigment into a liquid liner, or it can even revive dried up gel liners and everything of that sort. So I'm just going to pump it down like so that my, pump or whatever this thing is called, like test tube thingy, has some product, and then I'm gonna drop it onto the black. Like so, just a drop. You don't need a lot of this. And then I'm going to take this brush and I'm going to mix the black and the Duraline together on the back of my hand, like so. And then whatever comes up on the brush, I'm going to use it as my mascara. And also this is waterproof, so it's great for summers. Trick worked really well, and it feels like I do have a mascara only going on to my lashes. Lastly, to complete this one brand tutorial, I have to do my lips, and I have my Inglot lipstick palette with me right here. This is what it looks like, and I do have a few single shades here and there, but this is so much more handy for me. So I'm gonna use this shade, the last shade right here. It's a beautiful gorgeous nude, and I'm going to use it all over my lips because I have so much color onto my eyes. I want my lips to be on the muted side, so I'm going to use that to complete my look. With that, we finish this look, and I hope you guys enjoyed this as much as I enjoyed doing this look, because Inglot is my love. And yes, if you do recreate this look, and obviously you don't need all Inglot products for this, you can do this with whatever that you have. So yes, if you do recreate this, then do not forget to send it to me on my social media. All my social media would be in the bottom bar, along with an address where you can send me letters and things. And I will see you guys on Monday. Till then, take care. Bye.